is I am, you are, we are, they are, it is. He has, she has, I have, you have, we have, they have, it has. He was, she was, I was, you were, we were, they were, it was. He does, she does, I do, you do, we do, they do, it does. Had and did is used with all subjects. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. Pronoun. First person singular. I, me, my, mine, myself. First person plural. We, us, our, ourselves. Second person. You, your, yourself, yourselves. Third person male. He, him, his, himself. Third person female. She, her, hers, herself. Third person neuter. It, its, itself. Third person plural. They, them, their, themselves. Adverb of frequency. Always. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Usually. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Normally or generally. I normally go to bed at 10 p.m. Often. They often visit their grandparents. Sometimes. I sometimes eat ice cream. Occasionally. He occasionally plays cricket. Seldom. I seldom eat outside. Rarely. She rarely goes out at night. Hardly ever. They hardly ever watch TV. Never. I never smoke. WH question words. Who. It is used for person or people. What. It is used for things, object or idea. Which. It is used for choice. Whose. It is used for possession. Why. It is used for reasons. Where. It is used for place. When. It is used for time. How. It is used for method. How many. It is used for quantity. How much. It is used for quantity. How far. It is used for distance. How old. It is used for age. How long. It is used for duration. How often. It is used for frequency. What kind? It is used for description or category. Click the link in the description for a detailed video on this topic. WH question words. 12 basic rules of English grammar. Every sentence must have a subject and a verb. For example, she walks, the dog sleeps. Use the correct verb tense. Use the right tense to show time, past, present, or future. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 am. I ate lunch at 1 pm. I will eat dinner at 9 pm. Subject and verb must agree. Singular subject equals to singular verb. Plural subject equals to plural verb. For example, he plays football. They play football. Use articles a and the correctly. A before consonant sounds. For example, a cat. And before vowel sounds. For example, an orange. The for specific things. For example, the star. Use adjectives to describe nouns. For example, she has a beautiful dress. Use adverbs to describe verbs. For example, he runs fast. Use proper word order. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, I like apples. Use correct prepositions. Click the link in the description for a detailed video on this topic, prepositions. Use pronouns correctly. Make questions correctly. Use helping verbs before the subject. Use capital letters and punctuation marks. Click the link in the description for a detailed video on this topic, punctuation marks. Use correct plural forms. Add s or es to make plurals. One book, two books. One box, two boxes. Active voice is more preferred than passive voice in the English language. Click the link in the description for a detailed video on this topic, active voice and passive voice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to English Tales for more English learning content.